Yeah, you'd be surprised how beat up some of these.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Well, then, I'm just surprised the PA actually does the test right behind New Jersey. So that is a little bit weird. So I just better pray that New Jersey has their voice back on hopefully on June 21st, because that is when they're going up. So I'm actually gonna stay myself too. Test. My God, let me say test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.